to this car meet, which is kind of local, but still 45 minutes from my home, from Bergen, and hopefully we'll see some cool cars there. Yeah, see you there. After this, at this car meet, this is, maybe I can do it. So at this car meet, I met a guy who I just been texted, no, not texted, sent a DM on Instagram yesterday, I think, or maybe the day before. And he said he had an alternator for me. So I got this kind of almost for free. The deal is we're gonna have photo shoot. I'm gonna take some pictures of his car. It's a B5 RS4, so which is quite nice. So I don't know this guy, but apparently really kind. So this is the situation now. The alternator, which I got for almost for free, did not fit. I could probably have done the research beforehand. It was for free, so I have removed alternator and everything. So I'm going to take this, my old one, the one I already have. I'm gonna take it to this workshop who fixes alternators and such, alternators and starters, and gonna see if they can fix it or if I'm gonna buy a new one, because a new one, the price is not that bad, but if I can fix it for less, then yeah. So that's it for today. I'm sunburned, and until next time, have a good one. Bye.